Hello everyone, I'm Ansel, TCN After Sales Service Engineer. Today we will explain how to replace the internal chiller of the coffee machine. The tool that needs to be prepared is a cross screwdriver. Turn off the power switch and unplug. Remove the bottom half of the sheet metal on the back of the machine, which requires removing 16 cross screws. After removing the back sheet metal, now come and disassemble the chiller. Remove the fixed sheet metal at the top of the chiller and unscrew 2 Phillips screws to remove it. Remove the fixed sheet metal at the front of the chiller and unscrew 2 Phillips screws to remove it. Unplug the triangular power plug of the chiller, and then remove the inlet and outlet pipes of the chiller. After unscrewing the 3 cross-shaped fixing screws below the chiller, remove the chiller from the rear. Place the chiller on the sheet metal frame. Align the bottom screw holes with the sheet metal bottom holes, and screw in 3 fixing screws. Install the fixed sheet metal on the top of the chiller and screw in 2 Phillips screws to secure it. Align the sheet metal with the screw holes. Connect the water inlet and outlet pipes of the chiller, and plug in the 3-pin power plug. When starting the test, after powering on, first click on Fill the boiler in the backend administrator interface until there is water flowing out of the machine's outlet. During this period, do not perform any other operations. Wait for the machine's boiler to be filled and there is no more water flowing out of the outlet. Observe the temperature on the chiller display screen and start testing the chiller when the displayed temperature reaches room temperature or low. Click on Water Cooler in the backend management interface, and when there is water flowing out of the internal outlet, you can visually check and feel whether the water is at room temperature or lower. Install sheet metal on the back of the machine. Align the top studs of the sheet metal with the screw holes on the machine, and then press the sheet metal upwards and screw into fixing screws before continuing to assemble other screws. Next, tighten the 4 screws on the cooling port of the chiller. Tighten the other screws around and tighten the top 2 of the sheet metal.